Meaning of Heathrow.
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 Heathrow. Heathrow is the name of a suburb located in the London borough of Hillingdon, England. However, it is most commonly known for being the location of Heathrow Airport, which is one of the busiest airports in the world and the main airport in London. The word heath refers to an open area of land covered in grass and other low-growing vegetation, typically found on a hill or large area of higher ground. Therefore, Heathrow can be interpreted as a reference to the open, grassy area on which the airport was built.